Peace FM 104.3. Would you mean Taki?
No, me am shame you report no. And yeah, me am shame papa me butui me bihu yaw na de akoba nyina ne se sisia no allegation and I yache. In Ghana Medical Association, you to me see Gina Bia to say court. A bear convict to woman. The court convict to woman. Mobile to the NC Reka. Yen should be Dr. Bia or Dr. Koyes. Debbie, Yan Casano, all Hippocratic oath, no. A woman. Nancy, any idea? Me more dear, let me do me out. Said Dr. Paye train you so many years. Now we hear Juma. Now we got ton baby. And I'm making to see a allegation into young chong the back near convict or more. Ghana for you see or more no them. And she should move now and they could see us. In the from court. Now court at Kasa every year and I yen so Ghana Medical Association. The back idea. And I'm perceiving Ghana for you now about the Ghana Medical Association. Here should be Ubia and Rawa Ghana. Into your doctor ni now a Juma also and one just one yet. Now could you Juma for Fruby, let in December, Ghana Medical Association. Yes, she will be Ubia. Nemo Yama Court and cancer no. Into court here, and I answer the agent of the other.
Doc, yeah, the court to the Anocrato in China, Sansemi. Ya titi bia me kai pa Kumasi so be kai G lady bia na so waso ase ase wa ho akọ wo ye se ne ba na wu abaye se menyi ni se me ba ye wu ye sanse mo beti na ba ku bia ba na atwam ba ku bia ba na atwam ba ku bia ba na atwam de ba asemo
Nana, in fact, bibia e ba sa egu ye ho fi pa because shepherd the uncle for any bibiama doctor for. Let's say a muba kum you look for you. No going in a hoofy. No link as a mental. Nanso, your profession is such that no more be over. And you say a Bamukra because the Bama, the public will lose trust. Lose trust. Respect me, I do woman any GDR. And send you a grandpa. Next level first. Dr. Carr. Nipano LGD. I say, Obiku for the Barbican. Not a year, she had beside the way by Yaya Juma. In fact, a big we a Juma who cry. I'm only praying. The Bompire, Sabia, Assembly, yes, I'm a tea and ask. It's your man and court, not court, and your career. Assembly, Obia the can be, Obia the candidate. In the and Ghana Medical Association, you say, yes, you do be our baby, family and a cry. I didn't know it because, and yet, said my way no CI. And yet, said my way no CI. May Bompire me who say, it be a yes, sign it here. Now, said to Sadia, Kabahayan, Kayenso, a doctor for now, a young governor, Yensu Kabamana home.
Doc, ye say bia security agencies no o mo ankasa bakwa ehwemu di bibia ti sei aba abonten ye twan makoto abegua na mo ankasa as Ghana Medical and Dental Council brano no ayasa bia hodo o mo nuan ma doctor fo mo fa wo mo so mo fa mo chi ekokọ hwehwehwe mo adwuma mutime this guys o mo hwe say bia doctor yi ye nya no complain ba ko mienu ye fa na chi akwa akọhwe mutime ye sa de no
Nana Ghana Medical and Dental Council no and we are a regulatory body and a regulatory practice in Ghana. And you know you're different from Ghana Medical Association. I'm your president. Association, and you won't perform, I'm sure you do my yin. Into Medical and Dental Council, or more pine, so much stress and woman into a man and you local, and start pushing. Nepaya, so no. Obia all complaints be about any doctor via Ghana Medical and Dental Council and also on the court. Almost disciplinary committee, I bet some near day. Now, Siciano, Omone Iyoko, and I collaborate. nti ye train say asem no baby court na court ama judgment omuaya emu no na wo beti Ghana Medical Association so yem kondoni yem sansem we there akoba say no kra dey no say the fra association no I didn't know say the fra association no me assure the Medical and Dental Council na the na form apart from the court did what punishment I did in Adobano Medical and Dental Council so the na form se pass ye no kra omo nyina on be jom license the free omo nsem I nya dey so betumi but to say the make no asem no aye allegation aye bibisa in train na court and from where but yen kondoni sad way never Ghana Medical Association yen kondoni sad way ta aye ni guase asem ne ba ye me nko for me executives ni ade am ni o maka obiara ho nti de ka na say yen train na court and from where ebi kura na asem no nyesa na tie ebi kura menkase nyesa na tie na sa na tie obi ebi kura court na be kire say etisa na say entisa.
I see. Doc, ye wi enkomo yi no. Some fans be a ordinary Ghanaian na me mako ayasabia. Na doctor bia ye mi bibia mani nye ho. Ebia me mpesa ayasabia no a me call and me report am omo ankasa. Me wo kwanfoforo bia Ghana Medical Association anasa mo cancer kese na twa to ho a metimi afa so report sa doctor na mamono ma hwehwem.
You know ya me da say. Enka ne kwan so ne say enka sa hospital no ko management no na confidence na ko management no ho. Ko management no ho na wo ka kire wo. Me ya sure so mbe take action. So man take action and after bibi o institute Medical Dental Council omo na regulate your practice. You can go there. A whole no report. Then you have the last root crime say you can any this one. And she said, you can go to court. Over to the court. But the right channel on the center, hospital management, report the chair woman, if the omega na woman should do be na almost and yoda with the Medical and Dental Council. I'm going to say your practice. To say the Medical and Dental Council, Jumapa, Banco, Fundi. When you're happy with your doctors, your practice, and as you did the Medical and Dental Council,
Doc, ne kwakran Meko Hospital, if I say be oba tan oba wa fa furu na wako hospital, wakwa wo. Se yemfa ne se wanya ne ba no mpo a ayasa bia no adwumafo wo ho kwan se yesi akwada no wabra maame no ana papa no odne yire bae no omu bia anya we obeti an se oba no we yesi wanya no onti yesi no etimi sisa
enti sada eni se ba sa akrada eni se e ba sa akrada bibia ebesi obia o se hospital no eni awofo no and I was through such processes. Obi ohano akata so and the hospital no enfie no. Na hospital na ntumi mfa ne pe enye bibia to body no. Hospital no ntumi nye bibia sada. Enti awofo no and I was say moji omo permission. Awofo no betumi ade omo de so omo de ekosie. Enye hospital no asede and I near hospital na juma so yes sir. But temu young fan is more insinuator. A hono you to me at the normal side medical. And she said, I will for the country I'll say, any hospital no monya the samamia, and no crano is sign cracker, ya no any editor. I will for no sign cracker, send me so and so, it's necessary say, you say, now wow, paupe, and the being see that. Idea the bonny na maintain this the hospitals no ebe yes side no into do one go ka say kwa the inside the dia worker so and sana you must say the BCI.
One other critical thing is kwan ya fa so ehye akwada foforo no nso se enfa ne ma no a omo aye cesarean section no yakwa no operation e dey yi akwala no ndi sa oba no ya wo na duro enti ye be yi akwala no kra na ni so nhye dan tete no papa ne ade ahyenso no be na obata na hu se obi se bodi bibia aba akwala no nsa bi o ye timiti ma me no ntoma kakra se de aba akwala no nsa but eno no ne the best way betimi identify hu se maami ya woda hei ne bam pam ne sa akwala ye de ade abo ne nsen
Nana medase ya wo insisheye e wo hospital na msa ndi noma ya titi bi se eba exchange ba mu ne nkeka ho nti ye teki special measures bia emma saadi no insibio sisi a ye wo hair ties ye bibi asenso dia ye de bo nkoda ye ntintumago ni aye ye wo bibia ye betro maami ni di ni ade nyina abɔ akwadaa ne nsa sisi ano yɛ wɔ sɛdeɛ times a yɛwo wɔ mo ɛne ne nkeka ho nyinaa nti saa de na esi kane no it's unlikely sɛ sisi ade besi agye sɛ obi di adwembɔne na ɛyɛ biribi otherwise ɛnyɛ common sɛ biribi saa besi yɛhyɛ ahyɛnsedeɛ no wɔ hɔ papa ɛnyɛ so common sɛ saa noma na obi ba asesa akodi obi ho ne ade nyina no dabi sisi ya hyehyɛ mmra ene guidelines the protocol a ɛwɔ hɔ a yɛwu akwadaa na sɛ bɛyɛ a yɛnkɔ sesa ana enkodi sesa no nti wobɛfa saa ade no so tee nti sɛ woamfa saa ade no so tee na saa nsesa no kɔba a ɛyɛ negligence
dɔw ka no pɛi Peace FM da wase
yo medase
yo Dr. Frank Ankobia where titreni Emma Ghana Dr. Fonkabum to Ghana Medical Association.
Peace FM 104.3 Would you mean